Home Women's Health Likoria. Likri. What you need to know. Women's Health. Likoria, Likri. What you need to know, written by Seemab Chowdhury, June 19, 2022. Likoria in English is known as leucorrhea or leucorrhea, a common condition in women. Well, it is not easy for females to experience different kinds of discharge from the vagina. Some discharge from a woman's vagina indicates a healthy body function, and some are signs of infections. You may need Likoria treatment in some cases. Let's learn more about it. Table of contents. What is Likoria? When leucorrhea, vaginal discharge, is not a healthy sign. What are leucorrhea causes in unmarried girls? How to learn if you have leucorrhea? What is the meaning of different vaginal discharges? Leucorrhea, meaning in Urdu is likri, is a transparent, odorless and milky discharge. It indicates a normal and healthy body function. Your vagina releases cells and fluids and helps to get rid of germs and bacteria, which is a normal process. In this way, your vagina stays clean and healthy. Such discharge reduces the risk of infections. When leucorrhea, vaginal discharge, is not a healthy sign. Vaginal discharge like leucorrhea may change its consistency and color with time. You should not ignore such changes in the discharge, as they may be the sign of an infection or an abnormal body function. Make sure that you visit the best gynecologist when you see different discharge colors and consistency. What are leucorrhea causes in unmarried girls? Leucorrhea causes in an unmarried girl are different. At age of 10 or 11, a girl experiences whitish discharge from the vagina, which is a natural process. But too much itching, changes in color, and odor of such discharge indicate an infection. How to learn if you have leucorrhea. The following changes in vagina discharge can help to learn: swelling in the vagina, color and smell change in vaginal discharge, soreness on the vulva, dryness and irritation in the vaginal lining, abnormal skin growth around the vagina, irregular bleeding, pain during and after intercourse. Leucorrhea may be of different types, and every type has a different meaning. It's time to learn what every color indicates. What is the meaning of different vaginal discharges? There are different types of leucorrhea. Every color indicates different meanings and health conditions. The following section will help to learn about what discharge means. Milky white. Females with discharge ranging from creamy white to milky white indicate that everything is normal. Your body functions properly. But if you ever experience any white shade discharge along with a foul smell with unusual consistency, it may be a sign of an infection. In such a condition, you should seek medical help. Clear. Your vagina expels the dead cells and bacteria, which is a normal body function and prevents infections. Clear discharge indicates a healthy vagina, as it has an egg-like consistency. Females experience while ovulating. Some hormonal changes can lead to a clear leucorrhea discharge. There are two reasons why such hormonal changes occur: pregnancy, sexually stimulated, pink discharge. You may have pink discharge due to different reasons. The first reason includes the early signs of the menstrual cycle when it is about to begin. The other reasons include pink leucorrhea discharge after intercourse, due to an underlying health condition in rare cases, red to brown. Having discharge of red or brown color indicates a normal condition that you may experience after or during periods. But in some cases, females may experience irregular discharge of red or brown color. It may indicate some kind of an underlying health issue. Gray. Have gray discharge? Well, you should not avoid it at all. It is a sign of the bacteria vaginosis, which may require oral antibiotics or other medicines. Yellow to green. If the discharge is milky white to light yellow, it indicates a healthy vagina, but the dark yellow or green shade is not okay. It is a symptom of infections. You should visit the specialist as soon as possible. Note: do not wait to get the infection worse, but visit a gynecologist for Likoria treatment. What is the Likoria treatment or Likoria ka ilaj? You should not avoid the changes in discharge color or odor. Seek medical help for the treatment of leucorrhea. The treatment depends on the type of vaginal discharge and the underlying infection. Your doctor may prescribe you some antibiotics or antifungal creams. You can also make the Likoria treatment effective with some natural tips. Home remedies to treat leucorrhea. You can treat leucorrhea with the following tips. Drink soaked coriander water every morning but on an empty stomach. Try to eat ladyfinger as it deals with such vaginal discharge. Eat bananas daily but not less than 2. Drink cranberry juice as it is very effective to treat leucorrhea. Rinsing the vagina with the leaves of the walnut tree can deal with leucorrhea. Try to drink cow milk with a few drops of neem oil every morning. Drink the water of boiled fenugreek seeds. Drink a mixture of water with a grinding form of amaranth root to deal with leucorrhea. How to prevent leucorrhea naturally. You can also prevent the risk with the following tips. Avoid dehydration and stay hydrated with the fluids and water intake. Do not drink alcohol. Always keep your vagina clean. Keep your vagina dry after urination. Avoid wearing tight clothes. Do not use lotions down there. Avoid intercourse until your partner is infection-free. Manage your stress. Eat a healthy diet including vegetables and fruits. It's time to keep check. Changes in color or odor in vaginal discharge are alarming conditions but not life-threatening. You should not avoid such symptoms that indicate infections. If you have a clean or white vaginal discharge or leucorrhea, there is nothing to worry about as it is a natural process of your vagina to keep itself clean and lubricated.